Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of Prestashop new sticker block module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module and I'll also show you that how you can display news or any latest discount offers via a ticker block on the front end of your shop. So let's just go to the Prestashop back office in order to see the configuration settings of the module. In order to ease the process, I have already installed this module and here is the configuration settings of the module. Let's just see each of the options one by one. First option is display page. Whether you want to show this new sticker block on home page or all the pages of the shop, you can select it from here. What will be the position of that ticker block, whether it will be shown on the top of the page or bottom of the page, you can also select that. What will be the font size of the text which you are showing in the ticker block, you can customize that. What will be the ticker movement speed? Ticker movement speed here corresponds to that as you already know that this ticker block either moves from right to left or left to right. So what will be the speed of that movement? You can customize it from here. What will be the font color of the ticker block or the text which you are showing on the ticker block? You can customize that from here. What will be the background of the ticker block? You can also select it. And as I already said that this text block will either move from left to right or right to left. It's upon you. Whatever direction you will choose here, that in that direction only the ticker block will move. The next option is stop on hover. Whether you want to stop that movement of text on hovering the cursor or not, you can enable or disable that. So this was all about the configuration settings. Now let's just go to new sticker options that is added by installing the module to see how you can add a new ticker. Click on add new ticker button. After that you will be prompted to add a ticker message URL. You can also select the font color of the ticker message that you will be showing on the front end, and whether you want to keep this ticker block enabled or not, you can select it from here. In case if you have added multiple ticker blocks, then you can choose to enable or disable them as per your convenience. So let's just add one of the ticker block here. A URL is generally added or embedded in order to redirect the customer from that new sticker block to some other page of the shop, other page of your own shop. If you don't want to add, you can leave it blank. Click on the save button. Now let's just go to the front end of the shop to see how this new sticker block is added. As you can see that the new sticker block here is added. The background color chosen by you as black and text color as white is shown here. As you can see, on hovering the cursor over it, the text is also stopping, and as per the settings it is moving from right direction to the left. In case if you want, then you can also set it from left to right as it was available in the configuration settings. So in this way you can always add news and other holiday offers or whatever the new announcement which you want to show to your customers via this sticker block on the front end of your shop on various pages. As we have selected for home page and on the top of the page. So new sticker block is showing on top of the page only. In case if you want, then you can show it on the bottom of the page and other pages also, that is category or product page, etc. So this was all about the process to configure and show new sticker block module. I hope this video helps you to use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.